found an even better way to do this, and that's by putting on, as we showed you before, make sure you have all of that done first. Just remove the washer and the bolt on top, and have 2 fingers underneath holding these up in place. Then you can slide the top, this part, in the screw. Make sure you feed all these in, and then put the washers on. Of course, you want to make sure your left hand doesn't move, stays in place, so that all those screws stay in place, or they will just drop through the bottom, and that'll be really a huge hassle. Now remember not to tighten these screws too much, because you will just break the plastic. There are a bunch of spacers there that are not metal, and they won't be able to hold the pressure that metal would be able to hold. So see you in the next video.